What if we started seeking opportunities within all our challenges wherever a challenge exists? So does an opportunity. What if we begin organizing ourselves into powerful subgroups, working together and supporting one another in a more systematic, networked way? What if we created common platforms for designing, production, distribution, and consumption by ourselves, for ourselves? What if we combined our knowledge, ideas, and expertise? What if we realized that our governments and the system are merely exploitative tools that will not bring any change to us or future generations? What if we made Black Enlightenment our new focus, empowering our communities through the sharing of positive knowledge? What if we came together to build a Black world community for ourselves? Setting ourselves free is our duty, not anyone else's responsibility. This is the agenda that the African Continental Unity Party ACUP is pursuing to capture political power and bring Pan-Africanism to leadership.